Let me show you how to create this 3D pop-out effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, drag your images in Photoshop and drag. You can set according to your size. Now select this girl image and drag to Photoshop and change the background of this image. Select magic wand tool and click. With quick selection tool you can adjust the selection. Press delete button, delete the background. Select this image and drag to the here. So here is our image. You can adjust the size of upper image. I want to increase the size, so here is a size. Convert to smart object and select invisible this layer and select the post layer. Make a selection. I want to make with quick selection tool. With magic wand tool, then select quick selection tool and spacing. Select a rectangle ellipse marquee tool and make a selection. So here is our selection and visible this layer and add layer mask. Make sure foreground color is white and background color is black. So now select the brush tool and make hardness 100%. Follow this process. And also opacity is 100%. Convert to smart object. Now drag other image in Photoshop and change the background of this image. Now decrease the size of this image. Press Ctrl 3 for transform and decrease the size of image and drag to this layer. Drag to this Now decrease the size and select this layer and make a selection again and do the same. Add a layer mask. Make sure foreground color is white and background color is black. Add a layer mask and select brush tool. Make hardness 100% and opacity is also 100%. And select black color. Select brush tool and hardness is 8% and opacity 9, 17%. Now opacity, decrease the opacity. Okay. You can also change the background color, solid color. I want to add yellow. So here is our pop out design. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel.